Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Bitcoin and Shiba INU. I don't believe it's done crashing yet, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at Shiba and Bitcoin and see how much further can these things possibly go. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at $21,600, guys, and Shiba INU is currently showing 5 zeros, and the end number is around 779, I believe. So these things has came down to exactly where I expected it to come down to. If you go back to the Bitcoin videos, if you go back to the Shiba INU videos, I've been saying Bitcoin will come down to these levels, which seemed far-fetched and like it never would happen when we was trading at $55,000-$60,000 per coin. I said, no, this thing can run. It can run back up to, it can run further from here. It could go to 70,000, 75,000. I said that, but I was like, it's not going to hold. This thing is going to crash very, very hard, and it's going to crash so hard, it's going to come all the way back down to $20,000 to 2018 previous all-time high, guys. And this thing always happen like this. Whenever Bitcoin get hot, crypto get hot, it runs, and it runs hard over thousands of percentages. But whenever it go cold and give back almost majority of those gains every single time, guys. I'm talking 80-90%. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. We know the last time Bitcoin ran up to $20,000 in 2018, everybody saying it's a bubble, it's a bubble, it's going to pop, it's not going to hold, this is a scam, you better, take your money and run. And it came crashing from 20K all the way to $3,000, right? And when it came down to $3,000 in March, a lot of people were saying, I told you so, I told you it was a scam, you should have got your money, this, that, and the third. And even the people that bought at 20,000 in 2018, those people would have still been in a great position if they would have held for another year or so. They would have then made 3x the amount of money that they, that got all their losses back, and then made 3 times the amount of money that they put in Bitcoin. So if they bought one coin at 20,000 and they lost 17,000 when it went to 3K, they end up making 20 to 60 to 40. They end up making $46,000 near Bitcoin's peak. 46 bands after a $17,000 loss, right? And then went from 20K all the way down to $3,000 per coin. That's damn near 90%, 88, 87, 88% drop. That's insane, guys. So we already know exactly how volatile this thing could get and how big of a drop could possibly happen. So the first expectations already fulfilled itself. Coming down to the 2018 all-time high of 20K, we hit that last night. 9 o'clock, we came down to $20,000, 800. We bounced, went up a little bit, and like I told you guys, that was just the first level I had to prepare you guys for, because even once we hit 20,000, I believe this thing could go even lower, guys. And I'm talking about another 30, maybe even 40% drop. Of course, it could pop and, run back up to 23, 24,000, maybe even, but it's going to come right back down, guys. So I do believe it's going to shake a lot of people out of crypto and mess a lot of people money up, because it's a lot of money to be made in crypto. People are still becoming millionaires. They still able to become a millionaire or billionaire, however the case may be, however, wherever how much ever money you got to be able to invest and take a risk on crypto, because it is risky. It's very risky, guys. But these is the times. Now is when you need a good time to be buying. I don't believe it's the best time, but I think it's a good time to be buying, meaning you want to start nibbling your way in, guys. But I do believe Bitcoin is going to fall a bit further, and Shiba INU is going to fall a bit further as well. It's going to come down to 5 zeros, 5.9. That's the next main level that we'll be waiting for. And once it does that and come down to that range, Shiba INU could possibly lose another 0, guys, to the downside and show 6 zeros. So be very prepared for that. But right now is a good time to buy, to be nibbling in, guys. I don't think it's the best time, but I am starting to ease my way in, guys. Like I told you guys, I was waiting for Shiba to show 5 zeros, and I would definitely start back accumulating. But I do believe it could drop more, so just be on the lookout for that. You already know, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.